not only do I have a deeper pan for it as well that matches the oil pan for the engine, but I also have, that was really loud, I also have a B&M modulator so I can adjust shift points. I have a new Mr. Gasket dipstick. I have a new polyurethane bushing. We have parts over here drying, which is the cross member and the part of the mount for the bushing. And then what else we got? We are currently waiting on Fastenal to open up in the morning. That way I can replace the rear main. I picked up an offset one. That way it doesn't ride in the same spot because I tried an OEM one. Didn't work out for me, didn't fix my problem, and I need to pick up some new rear main bolts. Other than that, we'll be ready to go ahead and throw it back in there as soon as the paint is dry and I can get the Fastenal.